What's happening? What's happening? It's early in the morning. Sipping on my little coffee and stuff. It ain't that good. But shit, it's early, so we want to get into this. Got my Saints on, repping the Saints proudly. Shit, back in the days I was wearing my Saints stuff, it was a little more embarrassing. But now we #1 in the league and everything, so it's a little more proud, Hopefully get that second chip this year. But get into these shoes, man. This is in this unboxing. This is something I had previously. I had these shoes, man, and they've matched with everything. They were comfortable, but I got another colorway of the shoe, and I end up getting rid of it. And I always regretted that, because I got a newer pair, and the newer pair hurt the hell out of my feet. They were uncomfortable. I don't know why. I guess I had got the other ones, the first ones, they were pre-owned. Maybe they were broke in already, but the ones I had, the new ones, they hurt the hell out of my feet. But I had to get them again. I wound up paying $37 for these. So let's see what they looking like. This not taking the world by storm or anything. This isn't like somebody's favorite Jordans. Some weird Jordans, you can kind of say. They just put out the Dornbecker of these, so that's giving a little hint into what they are. Okay. John, let you check it out. Focus. Focus on me. Yes, sir. So, got all the stuff it's all scattered in the box. It was all everywhere. I kind of feel bad for homeboy, man. Like, look. Foot Locker receipt and stuff. $203, man. That gotta suck. That has to suck. That sucks, man. You paid $203 and your shoes sell for $37, man. I wouldn't even be mad if on eBay, if homeboy just was like, I'm reneging on my on the shoe, I'm not selling it to you. I wouldn't even be mad, cause that's just a bad thing to basically miss out on like $180 and stuff, man. But here they are, Jordan 15 Stealth, and these are better than the pair that I had before. Like, these got the shoe trees and stuff. I don't think the other ones I had the shoe trees and stuff in them. I think they had the. I don't think they had the box. I'm not sure. They might have had the box. But here they are. They're all right here. I got my phone on. It's recording also. I'm kind of experimenting with something, man, because I wanna get me another camera, man, but the camera is expensive. So I'm thinking maybe sell my camera that I have and use that money towards another one. But I kind of don't want to jump the gun on it, because they have certain cameras. They have like other Sonys, but the lenses are interchangeable. So they got some with the body, so maybe I could use my lens that I have on the newer one, so I don't really want to sell it, because I might need it. Because, man, when you get the camera and the lens and stuff, man, that shit is so expensive. But if you get just the body, it's cheap. But then the lenses cost more than the cameras, man. So, but I'm not really reviewing the shoe, because I kind of already have a review of this shoe on the channel. I'm pretty sure if you go in the archives. But they got like that basket, like a basket weave type material up here, a flat leather around, got the rubber right here. It looked like it would be like a carbon fiber or something, but it's not. just a rubber substance. They got 23, 6, 15. So they got Jordan is 23, 6. I guess there's championships, and 15 is Jordan 15. So I'm assuming that's what all that is. Like on a lot of Jordans, herringbone traction. Herringbone traction, yeah, yes sir. And these they got that tongue on them. Come fly with me. That's crazy. That's crazy. Like that always been, it's been like a crazy thing on the shoe. It's just that tongue on here. It is kind of weird, but it's that booty system, the lacing system. The laces are underneath, like what Jordan's lace like that, like the 13s, like the 13s lace kind of like that. But this is more slim, more slimming, or whatever. Got that slight jump man in the back if you check. Got the little tab in the back. And shit. Man, that's pretty much a shoe, man. I'm happy to get this back in the collection. I was mad that I sold these shoes. I think I sold them. I got like $70 something for them. I guess I was broke at that time. I needed some exchange. I'm glad I was able to get them again for half of what I sold them for, and I think I bought them for $100. So I bought the first ones for $100. Got these for $37. So shit, I ain't mad at that. Y'all want to see a little on foot? I'm gonna do an on foot, but that's gonna take a little longer, man. The weather is bad around here, man. It done rained everywhere. But I'm gonna do a slight on foot just for y'all to see them on foot and stuff. Yeah, I know I made this video super long, but like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest of the most hated. I'm just gonna end this on the on foot. Holla at your boy. Peace out.